Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones, and as you guys can see we have finally reached 10,000 subscribers. This could not have been done without the support and help of you guys, so awesome. Thank you so much for all of the support. It really does just make me all feel fuzzy inside. As you guys can see, some of my videos are pretty old. I've been doing this for like 6 years, so all of the support of you guys have been here from the start, and then you guys as well, just thank you so much. But let's face it, you guys aren't here to just see my stats. You guys are here to see if you guys won the prizes. So let's quickly jump over to the Dronehacks website and just quickly get the answers of each of these questions, and then we can move on. So the first question that I asked was, what where can you log a ticket? So on this Dronehacks website, if you're on this page, let's go see how easy it is to log a ticket and just have your question answered. And simply just scroll down, and at the bottom of the page, you guys are going to see a nice, easy page for you to fill in. All the information that you guys need, even an email address, is right there if you guys need it. So that's the first answer to the question. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can send your first ticket if you need to. Then the second one was, what number of drones are supported by the new Dronehacks version 2 tool. So if I go to the available hacks page, you guys are going to see that there are a bunch of drones supported. And I see some of you guys listed all of the drones, 30 something in total, that are supported. However, that was not the question. The question was, how many are supported by the new Dronehacks version 2? If you count these all the way down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the answer is 11. Okay, so for those of you guys that answered 11, fantastic. Now the last one, if you just go over to the tutorials page, you're going to jump over to the wiki page. You can see there's tons of information for you guys to go through. So if you guys have any questions before jumping to support, just check out this page. What you're going to look for will most likely be here. For in our case, we are trying to find out if we are in FCC mode or not. So if I scroll down to the left, you can see frequently asked questions. Let's just quickly see, how do we check if we are in FCC or in CE mode? So let me just click on that. And you guys can see that clearly the Android line has to be on the 1 kilometer line, and there we go. So you can see it's right underneath the 1 kilometer line if you are in FCC mode. If you are not, then you're going to be on the 1 kilometer line. Now, obviously, if you're on iOS, it can be slightly different. You can see that the 1 kilometer line stays the same, but the decibel lines has moved. So easy to see what you can check to make sure that the answers are correct. So in this case, we are now going to jump over to the YouTube random comment picker to pick our winners, since we already know what all of our answers are. And the only real tricky one that we need to answer is this page over here, depending on if someone's answering on Android or on iOS. So let's just jump over to the random comment picker. You guys can see over here, it gives us the instructions over here. It's already loaded all of our comments. So let's do the raffle. Let's see who's our first winner. Let's click it. And we have a first guy. Let's see what's got this. We've got Nick. Okay, Mr. Nick, what did you say? Let's go to your page. And you said that's correct, but sadly you say 9 models. Let's just jump over to the page. We've already checked. It's 11 models that's supported, not just 9. We're talking about the DJI version of the Dronehacks version 2 app, what it supports. So it even supports the DJI Neo firmware flashing. So sadly, so close, it's just no cigar. Okay, so I'm just going to have to pick another winner. And let's go again. Oh, okay, let's quickly see. Love the Dronehacks, but let's quickly see if there's any. Did you enter the competition? Let's make a check. Sadly, man, you you commented, but you just didn't participate. Okay, well, we can remove Nick from the winner list, and we can remove the cat from the next one. So let's pick another winner. Let's go. Okay, let's quickly see again. Why did you not just enter the competition, man? You would have won. Let's pick another winner. Let's see. Okay, great stuff. Benlat 78. On Android, 1 comment line must be higher. That's correct. Let's quickly jump over to your YouTube page. Let's quickly see. 11, that's correct. Need help at the bottom of the page. Fantastic. Ben Lutt, you are going to be our first winner. So let's do this right now. Congratulations. Congrats, man. Okay, we got our first winner. So let's just go back to the comment picker. Okay, so this guy wasn't correct. Let's jump again. Pick another winner. Let's do this. Okay. Mr. Thing Governor, let's quickly go. Fingers crossed, man. Fingers crossed. I can already see some good news on Android kilometer line. Fantastic. That is correct. Okay, so the 1 kilometer line, and you got the channel count as well. So you covered both bases. Still need. Fantastic, man. Okay, so let's go find another winner. Okay, so now we've got 2 winners, the last one. Okay, good stuff, guys. Let's run it through. Fantastic. Let's quickly see. Okay. And if question 1, answer, fly app, convenient. There we go. Question number 2. There we go. Fantastic. And 11 drones. Fantastic. Good job. Very good answer over here. Okay, good job, man. Now we've got our winners. If you could put up your message as well. And that's it, guys. So once again, we've got our winners. And you guys are going to have to contact me via Instagram, obviously, with your drone model, your YouTube handle, as well as your email address, so that I can send it off to Dronehacks guys so they can allocate it to your Dronehacks profile. Remember, if you guys do not have a Dronehacks profile, they cannot allocate the license. So please go make an account if you do not have one. So really, really well done, guys. Good job. And see you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.